Freddie invites you into his world of colour where he explores beautiful begonias.
Hi there, I'm Freddie from AT Nursery and welcome to my world of colour. Begonias are used as houseplants in shaded summer beds and prefer tropical and subtropical climates. Some are grown for their patterned and variegated foliage and others to add colour to shady garden areas. They have a waxy coating on the plant's leaves that helps to reduce water loss. Water is stored inside the fleshy stems and many begonias are killed by overwatering more than anything else. This is because the fibrous roots rot in soggy conditions. Don't overwater them. Begonias grow best with morning sun and afternoon shade. Those receiving more sun will need more water, but make sure there is good drainage. Dragon-winged begonias grow powerfully, but they don't grow very high. The maximum height is about 60 centimeters. This plant is known for its shiny dark green leaves, which are wing-shaped and long. Dragon-winged begonias produce clusters of small bell-like scarlet red or pink flowers from late spring to autumn, with many flowers blooming in the heat of summer. That is why they are so popular. Baby-winged begonias can tolerate heat and stress really well. This strong plant has an upright growth pattern that is covered with blooms from late spring through to autumn. With smaller leaves than popular dragon-winged begonias, the baby-winged begonias has lots of pink or white flowers on upright 20 to 30 centimeter plants. Baby-winged begonias starts blooming earlier than dragon-wings. Its bright glossy leaves also make it stand out. Begonia bigs is the bigger, better begonia. It grows well in a wide range of climates and soil, full sun, full shade, and all the points in between. Big's blooms are huge, up to 3 times larger than traditional wax begonias. Spent flowers will fall off the plant, so no deadheading is needed. Big is perfect for both patio containers and garden beds. Just remember to space the plants further apart than usual. Because of their drought-tolerant nature and that they can adapt easy to sun or shade, begonias are colorful companions for succulents as well. And don't forget, we've made it really easy. All the information you need is on the label. And remember, in good times and in bad times, flowers bring you moments of joy.